we could say if I wanted that curtain to be orange, and I might take a yellow orange to start, and a darker orange for the folds of the curtain. So I've got a bright orange, I've got a yellow, and I've got a brownish orange. Those are going to work really well, right? Because I want the curtain to be orange. I'm going to start with my lightest yellow. Actually, what I should do, and I'm going to because I'm doing a demo here, is I'm going to put this on marker, because if I go into yellow on top of pencil, what's going to happen is it's going to smudge and smear that pencil all around. Maybe I want to show that rod through there a little bit. I'm going to take this bright yellow and I'm going to fill in the entire curtain, because I know that I can always go darker than that, and everything in the curtain, because it's orange, is going to be darker than this yellow orange. Then I think I'm going to take this gray, or this, I don't know that I'm going to use that bright orange really, because I want to desaturate a little bit as well. I'm just going to take this and I'm going to stroke into this a little bit up and a little bit down, because that's in the small inner. I'm going to use my point just a bit. It doesn't take too much, like that's really enough. Often I will take my desaturated color and I will work the outside edge of the window, just put a stroke over there as if the light's hitting this side and not that end, right? So sometimes I'll try and imagine this as if I had a series of cylinders or cones hanging like this, and then I'd let the light hit this side of each one of these and it'd go into shadow on this side of each one of those, right? As the curtain does this, if you want to be really technical about what's going on up there. Okay. My last step is always to take my pencils. So it may be that I want that curtain to look more like fabric. I'm going to find a pencil. I'm going to try it over here first to see what it's going to do. And maybe I'm going to put some linear or something in there, just a touch. Maybe I want something lighter or brighter in there. If I really want to make the light seem like it's hitting this edge, I can take my white and actually lighten up a little bit of the marker that I already put down in there. Okay. This curtain up front I'm going to do in blues. Just a little bit. Doesn't take too much. Okay. I can also desaturate that if I wanted to take my gray on top of the blue. I might take my 50% gray and stroke into here a little bit. If that blue becomes too bright, I can put a bit of a shadow over here on the wall or underneath here again. I want to just cast a little bit of a shadow down under that curtain or to the right side of that curtain. Now, of course, I can come into here with a blue pencil as well. Put some lines and strokes in there. You know, the curtains aren't meant to be the focal point, so I don't need to really do too much, but I have more control with this pencil. So see how I'm popping up a little bit of the shadow core there as I turn from light to dark, or I come in here and I say I want this to turn away from the light a little bit more there. Usually my curtains aren't even this big, so I'm just doing a little bit like I did down here of a stroke in here and there to make it really pop or do something that I kind of want it to do.